Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to skyrocket your e-commerce sales in 2024? Well, today you're in for a treat, as TouchSuite, a merchant and payment processing POS system provider, brings you 7 tips and tricks to boost e-commerce sales in 2024. Make sure to stay tuned, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. 1. Embrace Omni-Channel selling. Expand your reach across platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and Facebook Marketplace to tap into diverse audiences and boost visibility. Think of it like spreading your wings across various channels, giving your brand more exposure and opportunities for sales. 2. Enhance website optimization. Streamline your website's user experience by analyzing user behavior and optimizing navigation and checkout processes. A smooth checkout experience can significantly reduce cart abandonment rates and increase conversions. 3. Prioritize social engagement. Interact with your audience on social media platforms by responding to queries, sharing product videos, and hosting live sessions. Engaging content humanizes your brand and builds trust with potential customers. 4. Craft compelling product descriptions. Create captivating product descriptions that highlight features and benefits, incorporating keywords and formats that resonate with your target audience. 5. Utilize on-page consumer testimonials. Integrate customer testimonials with images or videos to build credibility and trust. Genuine feedback from satisfied customers acts as powerful social proof, convincing potential buyers to make a purchase. 6. Implement live chat support. Offer real-time assistance to potential customers through live chat support. Personalized assistance can significantly increase conversion rates and improve customer satisfaction. 7. Optimize for mobile experience. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly to cater to the growing number of mobile shoppers. Responsive design and mobile-specific features enhance the browsing experience and drive conversions. And it's a wrap, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Give us a call or visit TouchSuite's website. Thanks for watching, and until next time.